Rice water for wrinkles? Discover the ancient anti-aging secret loved by generations. Say goodbye to wrinkles with this powerful DIY treatment, natural, affordable, and shockingly effective. Start by washing 4 tablespoons of rice thoroughly to remove any impurities or dust. Now soak the clean rice in a bowl of water and let it sit for 1 full hour to activate its properties. Drain the rice using a fine colander and keep the water aside. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. Next, place the drained rice in a saucepan for cooking. Add exactly 250 milliliters of water to the pan. Cook it gently on low heat until the rice becomes soft and starchy. Use a hand blender to grind the cooked rice into a smooth paste. Now strain the creamy mixture through a fine colander to achieve a silky texture. Transfer the strained mixture back to a saucepan for the next step. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch. It helps thicken the texture and gives a lifting effect. Stir constantly over low heat until the mixture turns thick and creamy like a lotion. Take 4 tablespoons of this smooth rice cream and place them into a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to nourish and hydrate your skin. Add a tablespoon of almond oil, which helps to reduce fine lines and smooth your skin. Mix all ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Now add a tablespoon of argan oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. Stir until the texture is creamy, smooth, and ready to use. Apply this luxurious blend generously to your face and neck. Massage in circular motions to stimulate blood flow and promote absorption. Leave it on for about 30 minutes to let the nutrients fully soak into your skin. After that, wash your face with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Store any leftover cream in a clean, airtight glass jar. Keep it refrigerated. It stays fresh for days and ready for your next use. For best results, apply this mask 3 times a week. Now let's move to recipe 2, deep repair and glow restoration. Use 2 tablespoons of your rice cream base. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, great for hydration and plumping. Mix until smooth and creamy. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil for its firming and wrinkle-reducing properties. Then add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel for cooling and healing effect. Mix well until the texture becomes light and fluffy. Transfer to a small jar and refrigerate. Apply this nourishing blend to your face and neck in upward strokes. Massage gently for 30 minutes, it's your home spa moment. Repeat this mask 3 times weekly for glowing skin. Ready for recipe 3? Let's make a rejuvenating facial toner. Take plain rice water, freshly prepared or from the refrigerator. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil to soften and brighten the skin. Stir until the mixture becomes an even, light liquid. Pour it into a clean spray bottle or dropper bottle. Keep this in the fridge, it's refreshing and lasts longer. Use it as a daily facial toner or gentle overnight serum. Apply before bedtime and wake up to silky, hydrated skin. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching from, I'd love to know. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty secrets that actually work.